Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Mazda CX-7, and if your horn on the steering wheel does not work, stay with us, we will explain what could cause that and where to find the fuse for the horn guys. Now, quick introduction, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below and let us know if that fixed your problem guys. So let's start on it now. So once you guys open the hood of your vehicle, next to the car battery, this is your fuse box right here, and you're going to go ahead and open that clip, pull the fuse box this way and pull it up. Check this thing out. Okay, perfect. Now usually guys, okay, the fuse for the horn, okay, is one, but on that vehicle you have two fuses and only one is listed in the manual. So make sure you stay until the end, because there is a second fuse, which is very confusing. Okay, this is the original fuse for the horn, 20 amp fuse guys. Okay, this is the fuse that we need to check first. Okay, and if this is good and your horn still doesn't work, we'll show you which fuse you need to check after that. So we grab it, okay, and we pull it out. This fuse guys looks good, it's not burnt. And our horn, okay, I'll go ahead and install this one. Okay, and let me show you how the horn is still not working guys, because I forgot to show you that. It's been a long day here at the shop guys, so let me show you now the horn. Okay, it does not work. Nothing. So what we're going to do now, okay, there is a second fuse guys, fuse number 2 that we need to check, and fuse number 2 guys, it's actually the one right above it, and it's for your stop lights. If your stop lights do not work, your horn will not work. Who came with that idea? I have no idea. So this fuse is burned guys, check it out, completely shot. So I'll go ahead and replace it with a new one. If you need replacement fuses guys, check this thing out. You can find a link in the description of the video below. Amazing deal for so many fuses guys, very affordable price. So do check it out. Okay, I'll go ahead and install this one now. Okay, and let's see now what's going to happen inside. So let me go ahead and see if it's going to work this time. So definitely good working horn guys. So if yours doesn't work, check these two fuses. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.